So one of the objectives of Microsoft is all of these is to make you familiar with the icons that they use. Now, this happens to be the Edge, the browser icon. This is one that we're going to be focusing on. This is CoPilot. This is Microsoft AI. This is what Microsoft is trying to get everybody to identify as their Office or Microsoft 365. And this is Bing. This competes directly with Google search. There's the product Bing that is available, not used very widely, but this happens to be the Google Edge browser. This is what it looks like. I cleaned it up because Microsoft throws a boatload of advertising and pictures, and it's distracting to me. So I turned all that off. But notice a bunch of items on this screen. Up here, there's CoPilot. It used to be called, I forgot what it used to be called, Chat. And it's just simply they rebranded it. It's in the same location. You can speak to text. You can put in a picture and have it recognize the picture. And then here's another version of CoPilot that you can run. Here's even a third version of CoPilot that you can run. But this is something that is installed on the right edge of the browser that is all of the Microsoft products. Microsoft Outlook, Microsoft 365, and the Zoom competitor, Microsoft Skype, is there. So what I really want you to pay attention to is this up here. You'll see this throughout on the Microsoft. So I go to the screen Microsoft, or to the website Microsoft 365, and I'm logging in with an ID that does not pay Microsoft. It is the free version, and I log in. You have to authenticate. You have to sign in once you get to Microsoft 365. These two symbols become active. Now, once I log in with a Microsoft ID, now you remember Hotmail was way back, in the way back, ancient computer history, 10 years ago. Hotmail, live.com, and now they use outlook.com. Yes, Jarrard at outlook.com is what I use mostly. Notice here is the Microsoft 365 logo, and then all of the free versions of Microsoft products. Free. It runs within the Edge browser. Then I click this icon here, and it opens up a little window. So now I've got two things. I've got Office 365 on the left and CoPilot on the right. And here I've asked a question, and that I can copy and paste from this side into a Word document or a PowerPoint slide if I wanted to. And we'll try that in just a second. And then in the handout that I distributed, you'll see how Microsoft product used to look. This is chat. It used to be. Now it's CoPilot. Click that. And here's me with, I'm going to try to open it full window. Let's sign in. I'll put in my password. Now, all of the Microsoft products are on the left. This is live. So if I wanted to go look at my email in Outlook, if I had it's james.paul.jarrard@outlook.com, but I can look at Outlook and authenticate again. I can go to Word. So it loads Microsoft Word right in the browser. Word, almost the full version. So you have, now is the time. But what I wanted to show is that I could have Word, plus I just clicked this icon here in the upper right, and it opened the CoPilot. Now I can ask questions. So please explain the electoral process of US to an English person. Oh my goodness. And now let's see. Now it does not allow, I could here, notice I can take this, copy it, go over to the document and paste it, all within the browser item. And please create a, I don't know how to, daguerreotype of an early American convention. Text to text. Then I did a text to image. And let's see if I can copy. I right click on the image, copy image, and let's see if I can go down here to a convention and right click in the document. Oh no, and paste. And so it will, well, let's see if I can size it. Look how big that baby is. See if I can make it smaller. So think in terms of, let's say, a college kid or a high school kid that can put these items together just by using Microsoft Edge, Office 365. This is how Microsoft is trying to brand this product now, is Microsoft 365. For years, it's been Microsoft Office. Now it's Microsoft 365. And I can load all of these different products. I could load Microsoft Designer. Let's look at Designer, which is the ability to create So I could make images. I could make a band. Let's make a wallpaper or an icon. Let's make an icon. This is again within. Let's make an icon of 2032 convention badge for a new American political party. Microsoft Designer. I'm going to close CoPilot. Oh, there, look at that. So if you're wondering how these guys came up with these are banners. Let's download it, edit it, go back and go back. And let's go into PowerPoint, create a blank presentation, and I'm going to click these off if I can. Take that off and that off, and then paste. And there's my image that I just created. I'm going to sell this to whom? Who's going to be the new political party in 2 election cycles? So I can make my banner now doing everything that I normally would, Microsoft PowerPoint. And then I can save this or share it, print it, export it. All these things I can do within PowerPoint. Again, this is the free version, so it's a little cryptic, but look at all of the different recommendations that it wants. So design ideas. Let's see if I can have a picture of a city. Let's copy the city over here and put the city in here. Let's put this is New York City. And I'm going to see if I can put this in the back. I'm not even sure how to do that. I should have. Oh, let's put it in a circle. Oh my goodness. Now I'm going to sell that. I'm going to go to the Republicans, I guess. No, they got the money. And I'm going to sell them for this party, and I can put, let's see if I can, what I've done very quickly, thank you for sticking with us.